What is up, guys? It's BT back here again with another review. Today we are going to be looking at the Bowens and Wilkins PX over-ear noise cancellation headphones. A lot of you guys in the comments have been asking for these, so I finally decided to pick them up. Now they're coming in at a whopping $400. So as time has gone on, I feel like headphones have been getting more and more expensive, but that's because the technology that they're putting into these headphones is getting better at the same time. They're coming out with more apps so you can customize your experience, whether that's bass or mids or highs, whatever you like. Companies are doing that now. They're giving you more control over the noise cancellation as time goes on. So it kind of warrants this $400 price, or does it? So with the Bowens and Wilkins PXs, I really wanted to look at, is this worth $400? Are they giving you enough bang for your buck? So today we're going to get into all of that. In the box, you'll find the headphones, a USB-C connector. That's right, USB-C, not USB-B, a 2.5mm jack, and a bag. Now this bag is quilted. It feels pretty nice in the hand. Now, as you guys know, I love that vintage look that these have. They have that gold accents with the ballistic nylon blue material that just looks amazing. It's very durable, and I really enjoy the look of these headphones. I even think these look more stylish than the Beats. I got stopped a lot on the street when I wore the PXs as opposed to the Studio 3s. On the right ear cup, you're gonna find the volume rocker with a press play pause button, and this button is raised, which I really like. It's very easy to discern which button you're pressing, unlike some other ones where it's kind of like flattened or it's indented, and it just doesn't really help you out. Also, you'll find the noise cancellation button as well as the power slider and pairing button. So one thing, when I first picked up these headphones, I looked on Amazon, as I always do, and look at reviews at what people are saying. And I saw that a lot of people are saying that they're uncomfortable, but I beg to differ. These give you a super closed back experience because of the way the ear cup is formed. It's super stiff around the ear cup, not so much plush like something you would find in a Sony headphone where it kind of molds to your face. These are actually kind of hard, which gives you that oval seal, and it gives you a nice bass response. Now what's crazy is these do not create any jaw or head fatigue when wearing them for a long period of time. When I was at the gym, it actually was very nice. I didn't have to take them off, or they didn't get really warm. It was nice having that oval shape of the ear cup that's very stiff without it molding onto your face, creating heat. So as you can imagine, less surface area with the headphones, less heat. But one thing I did notice at the gym is that the swivel design of the hinges, they would come off when I would lay down on a bench or doing a workout. So keep that in mind. They're great for every other workout, just not chest or shoulder workout. Another really cool feature that these have is that you can lay these down on your shirt or take one ear cup off, and this will pause your music. So that's really cool. If you're at the gym or somebody needs to talk to you, you can easily just take them off and be able to talk to people. One thing that I've really realized with these headphones is that there are varying degrees of closed back. There's like the Sony, the Bose, which they kind of go on your head but very lightly, and then there's these, which is more on the extreme cupped, almost suction type ear cups, which really give you a greater bass response. So you're gonna get that resonance, you're gonna get that soundstage, that intimate experience that you won't get with Sony or Bose. Sometimes it kind of feels like the sound is leaking out, whereas these, everything is just captured within your ear. It's simply incredible. Just from that, I feel like they increase the sound quality a lot. These are absolutely amazing for rap, EDM, and anything that is very bass reliant because of the closed back design. But also these sound very good with classical piano. Like, it just sends chills down my spine. It is simply amazing, and I love listening to all genres with these headphones. I mean, I can listen to jazz 1 minute, rock 1 minute, and it just all gives me this experience that I haven't found really with other headphones, that closed back, really closed back design. So very good job, Bowen and Wilkins. Now also Bowens and Wilkins is saying that these have an angle driver, which gives you more soundstage, and I agree, these have amazing soundstage. You will not be disappointed if you are into soundstage. Let me tell you that. If you love instrumentals, if you love just great produced tracks, you will love these headphones. These aren't as detailed as something like the ATHs that I just reviewed. Check it out if you haven't, but they are more detailed than Sony, Bose, and anybody else you can think of that I've tried. I would go as far as to say that these have some of the best sound, just detail wise. It also upscales all your music to 768 hertz, which is just giving you more information. It doesn't sound artificial. It sounds very full and rich compared to listening to the same track on like some Sonys or Bose. So really good job on the detail with these. Just all around great set of cans. Now the noise cancellation is good. It's not great. It's not Bose, it's not Sony. What I think helps it is that closed back design. It gives you a very nice seal already, and then you throw in a little bit of noise cancellation in there, and it just works very, very well. Now you can control the noise cancellation in the app. You can do a city mode, a flight mode, or an office mode, depending on where you are, and it's supposed to give you a tailored experience. I used multiple in different situations and they sounded pretty much the same across the board. You can also change the variance of how much you want it to block out, which is very nice. I do, however, wish that they would have added something that lets you tailor the sound profiles. That's just something that headphones nowadays can't get away with. If you're gonna charge $400, you need to have some of these basic things like sound profiles and having an EQ in the actual app. There's no excuse now. Now, when they say 22 hours, that is very, very good. I've gotten 22 hours with these, but what I also like about these headphones is as soon as you take them off, or they're on standby mode, or when you put them laying down on your chest, they're in standby mode. So you're getting longer battery life. You're not just saying, okay, turn them on, now I have 22 hours. It's like, no, you're getting 22 hours plus some. And I was able to just like put these to the side one day. I forgot that I even had them turned on, and I came back and they were still 50%. So really good job on the battery life. The connection also has been rock solid for me. I've had no problems with it. It has aptX Bluetooth technology, which really helps with the sound quality when you're listening to like an Android device or an Xperia, things that can transfer those high quality bit rates. The call quality is also really good. There's no muffledness, there's no feedback from you talking into the mics, which is very, very nice. Something that like the Beats really suffered from is that problem, and these do not have it. So the big question is, are these worth $399, $400? The simple answer is yes. I have been enjoying these headphones day in and day out. I've used them for gaming, I've used them at the gym. They're great in all different settings. And that's one thing that I really try to stress is if you're gonna buy a set of headphones, I like for them to work in multiple situations, not just one. The PXs give you a ton of options when it comes to noise cancellation, and giving you that closed back design around the ear cups really helps to immerse you into your music. So if you like to get lost, these are going to be for you. The closed back design of the PXs is like nothing I've tried on the market today. Sony, Bose, nothing. None of them get this good of a seal on your ear to keep out noises and to put you into your own world. So I think that that is worth the $400. If you can spend it, if you have that extra money, go ahead and just go all out. Treat yourself. All right, guys, so that is going to be my review. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any more questions about these headphones or any other headphones, let me know down in the comments below and I'll be sure to answer you. Also, if you haven't already, like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in the next video. It's your boy BT saying peace.